Good morning, everybody. I am at Walgreens and I am here to do some couponing. Okay, you guys. Yeah. So, I looked at the ad. There is not a lot of, there's still a lot of great deals, but a lot of the deals are if you spend $20, you get a $5 reward. So, I'm going to try to do a couple scenarios with that. There's a couple other deals that we can do. It is the new day for the Walgreens booklet. But a lot of you guys said that there is no booklet coming out. It is 100% digital, which I'm okay with, but I hope that we can use the booklet more than just once, because I know sometimes when you clip it, it's gone. So, and then when there's those deals that we want to do every week, we can't because they were only clipped and used once. So that's the only bad thing is, but hopefully maybe something changes, but there is no physical booklet as far as I know. And then there's IBOTTA deals. Now, a lot of you guys were all confused with the whole IBOTTA situation. I just kind of just let it be. I'm in like the 50-50 on it. Like, you know, there's people like, I'm not using it anymore. And it's like, well, you still can use it. You just, there's still great things on it, like especially like Thanksgiving. They've given us free Thanksgiving meals. Like you can't just delete the app because it doesn't go in your favor. But unless you're really struggling with memory on your phone, then yeah. But anyways, there's a couple deals that I was thinking of doing, but it says you cannot combine with a coupon at Walmart. It doesn't say Walgreens, it just says Walmart. So there's a couple deals that I might want to do. So we will see how it goes, but couponing just right now is not like super fun. It's still fun, but it's not like super fun. So I don't know with all the changes, but we always adjust to everything. So let's go inside, have some fun, and let's just see what we can save with saving some money. So this week's deal of the week is the Arm & Hammer. Here we have it for just $1.99 for the shakers. We also have $1.99 for the pods and $1.99 for the liquid Arm & Hammer. So here is here we have two different deals that you guys can do, but it is one or the other for the digital coupon. So here we have the Aspercream for $8.49. Now there is a $3 off digital coupon that you guys can use, plus there is a $3 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You would just end up paying $2.49, but then there is a $2 rebate that you get back with this, making it just 49 cents, which is a great deal. But you could get this icy hot large patch. Now I did scan some of these other patches, but this is the one that works for the IBOTTA deal. So my store has this for $9.99, and online it actually shows that it's $8.79. So you can have your store price match it for $8.79. Now what you will use is that $3 off digital coupon. Like I said, it's either icy hot or Aspercream. It's one or the other. But then there is a $3 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you guys can clip to your card. And then there is a $3 icy hot rebate with IBOTTA. So this ends up becoming a 21-cent moneymaker. So here is a scenario if you guys really need this stuff. So all the Colgate right here is on sale for $3.99. Okay, so we have a $2 off digital for the mouthwash, a $2 off digital for the toothpaste, and a $2 off digital for the toothbrushes. Then we have the Oral-B toothbrushes for $3. We have this Crest toothpaste on sale for $3, and we have this Crest toothpaste for $4. Then you want to use the $1 off digital coupon for the toothbrush, the $2 off digital coupon for this Crest sensitivity, and then a $1 off Crest coupon for that. Okay, your total will come to be $11.97 after you use those digital coupons. But then you get a $5 register reward when you spend $20. So this is a deal where you guys cannot pay with points, making your final price just $6.97. That's $1.16 each. If you guys need to go ahead and do that deal, it's totally up to you. Now make sure you guys check out your store clearance. Now what I found out when my store has these little orange tags on, that is what they marked it down to. So sometimes with like the rebate apps or sometimes with coupons and stuff, it might be a little wonky with that. But check out your end cap if you guys can. Here we have some Bic razors that are 25% off. So some of them are $5.62, $5.99. Here we have some that are $5.09. Well, if you scan it with the app, there is a $4 off digital coupon, making this little one just $1.09. So here we have the Nature Valley muffin bars. Now I'm going to do this deal at CVS because it actually is a better deal, but in case you guys don't have a CVS near you, these are on sale this week, 2 for $6. Sorry for speaking loud, there is a radio right above me. But we currently have a 50% off of 2 digital coupon that you will use. You end up paying just $5.50. But then there is 2 rebates with Fetch Rewards where you get 750 and 750 points, which is 75 cents each or $1.50. Your grand total comes out to be just $4 or $2 a box, which is a pretty great deal for lunches if you need that stuff. So if you guys need some cereal, they have the General Mills family size, or that's Post, but family size for $3.99. Now I currently have a 75 cents off of 1, $1.50 off of 2, $1 off of 2, and $1.50 off of 3. So you guys could use a 75-cent rebate if you wanted to use that. You would end up just paying, $3.24, but then there is a IBOTTA rebate for 50 cents back with that, making it just take away 50, $2.74 a box, which could be an okay deal if you guys need some cereal. So here we have these Scott's paper towels for $5, you guys. Then we're gonna go roll on down here to the Scott's toilet paper, also $5. Now we don't have the Walgreens booklet, but you guys can clip this $1.25 coupon on the Walgreens app. You would just get this for $3.75. If you guys need some Bosch & Lomb BioTrue, the store has it for $9.99, but online it is $8.89. At buy one get one 50% off. Then we have a $3 off manufacturer's coupon and a $3 off coupon in the Walgreens digital booklet. You guys would end up having that apply to you twice. So you would end up just paying $4.33 for 2 of them if you have your store price match it. That's just $2.16 each. If you guys just need something like you have a hankering for some cashews, they have cashews this week for $2.99. Now, I always get stuff for my family for Christmas because they love cashews as a gift. And oh my god, they got dill pickle flavor. Look at that. But $2.99, considering it used to be $6.79, I think that is a great deal if you guys need some. I might have to try the dill pickles. Jennifer, just do it. Okay. So it is that season, you guys, where people are getting sick and you just want to get better. But here we have the Emergency Vitamin C drink. Now, normally 2 for $12 or $6.99. This week we have it for $4.99. But there is a deal where there is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You would end up just paying $8.98. But here you get a $5 register reward when you purchase 2 of the cold or cough products, making this just $3.98 or $1.99. So here we have the Garnier Fructis, 2 for $8. Now, when you use the digital, you guys have to get 2 of the same items. So you're going to get 2 of the same item for that 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and we're going to combine this with another deal. So I just scanned this with the IBOTTA app, and it pops up. Even though it does say 22 fluid ounce, I did scan this and this is what pops up. So these are $3.99 at buy one get one 50% off. There's no digital coupons for it, but you're gonna buy 4 of these, 4 of the St. Ives if your store has it, and then you need 1 more filler item, and we're gonna get a Yardley bar of soap. Okay, that comes out to be $20.97 before that $3 off coupon comes in. So you use that $3 off coupon and you would pay $17.97. $1.97. But then you can submit $1.25 times 4 back with IBOTTA, and then when you spend $20 or more, you get a $5 register reward, making these $2.97 or just 42 cents each. If you guys need a IBOTTA rebate, here we have the Rimmel on sale for $4.99 with 40% off, making it $2.99. There is a $2 off Rimmel lip IBOTTA rebate. You would just get that for 99 cents. Now we also have a face and an eye, which I am trying to figure out if I can get an eyeliner, because there are also some for $2.99 also. But this is an eye makeup remover, which I don't think this one would work, but we can always just scan and see, because you never know. And I gotta move my finger. Oh, right there, $2.69 for a eye makeup remover, making it just 69 cents. Awesome, awesome deal. Here we have the Ivory Soap for $2.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. Now you guys can do this deal with other things, but these have a coupon attaching to it for a 5 off of 3. It does say Ivory, but you guys want to use that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would end up just getting them for $2.47. That's 82 cents each, or it's 27 cents a bar. My store doesn't have this doesn't have 3 bars or 3 packs in stock, but it is still an awesome deal. Hi everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. So, get to the store. I said, hey, I just want to make sure you guys don't have any Walgreens books. He's like, well, I never saw any come off the truck. I says, okay, then it is true. There is no more Walgreens booklets. They are 100% digital now. It sucks. I know it sucks, but you know what? That's okay. That's just the way we'll adjust. Hopefully some of those Walgreens booklet stuff adjusts or comes back. Otherwise, we will have to complain, you know, to corporate. But anyway, so I tried to find as many deals as I could. It is just not going the greatest. I got some Cheerios because I've been really craving Honey Nut Cheerios, and the last time I bought some, my kids ate it all, so I'm gonna hide this because, yeah. So these were $3.99. There is a 75% off digital coupon that would come off, and my coupon did come off. You would pay like $3.24 or something like this, but then there is a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate, making it $2.74. So I did that because I wanted to get some cereal, and I think for a full size for that is a pretty great deal. I ended up getting the Arm & Hammer. These are $1.99 this week if you guys need some laundry detergent. I lost all my bags. Like, I had them hanging and they're all gone. The Icy Hot. The Icy Hot, you guys. So I had them price match this to $8.79 for the online price. There's a $3 off digital, and then there is a $3 off Walgreens booklet digital coupon. You would pay $2.79 for this, but then there is that $3 rebate with IBOTTA, making this a 21-cent moneymaker. So if you guys want to go ahead and get that, go for it. I did the Icy Hot, number 1, because it's a moneymaker, and number 2, I have a ton of Aspercream as it is, so we're going to go with the Icy Hot. We have the Bic Soleil razors. Now these were on sale for $5.09. There is that $4 off digital coupon you guys can use. It'll come out to be just $1.09. Now there is a deal with IBOTTA where if you buy 2 of them, you get $2 back. So it just depends on if you want to do that deal or not. But that's just what I did. So yes. I ended up getting 2 different packs of the cashews, and like I said, these make great gifts. I love the honey roasted, so I'm actually gonna have some, but I'm gonna try some on the camera right now of these dill pickles because I've never seen the dill pickles. So yes, there's an old guy stealing a cart right now. Yeah, so my store has no carts. No carts whatsoever. There is a Walmart cart in that store. There used to be a at-home grocery store cart, and there used to be a Hy-Vee cart. And now he's sitting on the ground. Okay, we're doing good. But there's no carts in my store. It's crazy. They're good. I mean, I've had worse pickle stuff, but good. Okay. So that was everything that I got in one. Oh, never mind. So I ended up getting the Rimmel. This was what, $3.69 or something like this, and this was, or $2.69 or something like that, and then this was, I think, $2.99. So I ended up getting those with a two different $2 IBOTTA rebates. So I got that, and I just lost the lipstick. Oh my God, Jennifer, we're just not here today, okay? Okay. So the next deal I did was the St. Ives. So I bought 4 of these. These were $3.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. I bought 2 of the Garnier hairsprays because I have enough of the shampoo and conditioner for 2 for $8. And then there is a 3 off of 2 coupon. And then I bought a Yardley soap bar for just $1. So that comes out to be $20.97 for all 7 items, okay? But you were gonna use that $3 off of 2 Garnier Fructis, making it $17.97. Then you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA, where you get $1.25 back times 4 back with IBOTTA. And you can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys get bonus points for that. So I got like 135 or 119 points for buying those 4 St. Ives. And then you get, this is a $5 register that you get. It says, enjoy on your next purchase of participating personal care items for $5 off. This is that $5 register reward that you get. So I'm not sure if you can pay with points or not. I did not pay with points. So if you guys do pay with points and it works, let me know so I can let others know. But your grand total comes out to be just $2.97 or 42 cents each. So that is a pretty good deal. Yay, he left the cart. So it does say it's a different size for the St. Ives, but it automatically did it. I didn't have to adjust anything. So, you know, it's a hit or miss if you guys want to do that deal or not. I was just trying to figure out some kind of scenario. Now, I was looking at the tags. A lot of those tags all say they're good until October 22nd. So I have a feeling between now and the end, almost the end of October, the sales are going to be super, super slow. Super slow. I don't know if it's just because of the economy or what, I don't know, or if they're just preparing for Christmas. But I'm going to try to share with you guys as many deals as I can because everybody is in a different financial situation and all that fun stuff. Okay, so I totally forgot to give you guys my total. Yes, my total. $29.41 for everything. With IBOTTA, I received $12.75. With points, I ended up receiving $5.33. So I don't know if that was the deal that I had clipped to my card, like a spend deal. I don't know what it was. And then I did receive that $5 register reward. My for Fetch Rewards, I did receive 154 points, which is 15 cents. So my grand total came to $6.18. I got 15 items at just 41 cents each, which I am pretty excited for. So yes, that was my haul. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.